Yup. Check this out.
This is so satisfying. It's like walking through your own home apothecary. So under the respiratory system, on page 112 is where you're going to find your cowboy cough syrup. And always remember, results may vary. You have your ingredients with notes that you should read, as well as the instructions for the recipe on how to prepare it, store it, as well as the proper dosage. You should definitely grab one of these books if you're on your wellness journey. With over 200 plus remedies, this is your Forgotten Home Apothecary Guide. A great resource for everyone to have. I'm going to tag it right here on this video so you guys could grab one today.